In a vast green forest, near a beautiful open meadow, lived 4 cows. They were the best of friends and did everything together. Whether it was grazing on the fresh green grass, drinking water from the cool, clear stream, or resting under the shade of the tall trees, they were always side by side. Because of their strong friendship, no wild animals dared to attack them. The tiger and the lion, the fiercest predators in the forest, often watched them from a distance. They longed to hunt the cows, but they knew that as long as the 4 stayed together, they were too strong to be defeated. One day, however, an argument broke out among the cows. Each believed they were better than the others, and they started blaming each other for small things. Instead of solving their problems and staying united, they let their anger take over. "I don't need you any more," one cow said. "Me neither." "I'll go my own way," another replied. And just like that, they turned their backs on each other and walked in different directions to graze alone. Hiding behind the thick bushes, the tiger and the lion had been waiting for this moment. "Now's our chance," whispered the tiger. "Yes," agreed the lion, licking his lips. "When they were together, they were strong, but now, alone, they are weak." One by one, the predators crept up to the cows. Without their friends by their side, the cows had no one to warn them or protect them. The tiger and the lion attacked, and sadly, all 4 cows were killed. Had they stayed united, they could have scared away the predators, but their fight had made them weak and vulnerable. Moral of the story: unity is strength.
Please like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icons for more videos.